What's going on, hustlers? If you've been playing Roadside Empire on your phone, you already know how important gems and keys are for scaling fast. Recently, I kept seeing people talk about this hack method that claims you can stack gems and keys without using a PC or doing anything complicated. At first, I wasn't convinced. It sounded like one of those things that never actually works, so instead of guessing, I tested it myself. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did step by step, and at the end we'll check the results together so you can see if it's legit. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll need is your user ID. You can usually find it on your profile page or somewhere in the settings menu. It only took me a minute to locate mine. Once I found it, I copied it and saved it for later. This part is quick and pretty straightforward. After that, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work fine. I searched for the website that people kept talking about. When it loaded, there were no pop-ups or weird redirects. The page looked clean and normal, which I honestly wasn't expecting. Once I landed on the site, I used the search bar to find the Roadside Empire Gems and Keys tool. After that, I picked my device. I'm on Android, but iOS was an option too. Then I entered my player ID, double-checked everything, and tapped Continue. Next, it asked how many resources I wanted to add. Since this was just a test, I chose the maximum amount. After confirming, a few progress bars showed up, going through different steps of the process. Everything was explained clearly, so it was easy to follow. Right before it finished, there was a short verification step. The instructions were simple and easy to understand. I already completed that part earlier, so let's jump straight to the results. To see if it worked, I opened Roadside Empire again and checked my gems and keys. They were already there. No restart, no waiting. It updated instantly, which honestly surprised me. Based on my test, everything worked just like it was explained. The steps were easy, the site worked smoothly on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you followed the instructions. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.